Hi everyone, welcome back to another PR video for Born Pretty. I was sent 3 C Blue Cap magnetic gel polishes in 3 colors, a Born Pretty gel polish from their Silky White series and a solid spider nail gel. I absolutely love this color. It is C Blue Cap Magnetic Gel Polish, SB07. Here's another beautiful color in their C Blue Cap Magnetic series. It is color SB09. This one is my favorite color in their C Blue Cap Magnetic series. The color is SB06. The next item I'll be trying is a beautiful glitter topper polish in CG106. Now for this last item, Born Pretty's Solid Spider Nail Gel. I've never tried spider gel before and wanted to give this a go. But what's so exciting about this product is, it is clear and can be mixed with any gel color, glitter, chrome powder, mica powder. The possibilities are endless. In this video I will be mixing the spider gel with gel polish, glitter and a gold chrome powder. That completes my PR video for Born Pretty. As always, I love everything I was sent to review. I must admit I need to practice more with the spider gel. It has nothing to do with the gel itself, it's wonderful. My designs on the other hand are very wonky, as you can see. It is also a great space saver for people like me who have limited space at the moment. Just this one 15 ml pot versus having to purchase many pots in various colors. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I will link all the product links in the description box. Also thank you Born Pretty for another opportunity to review your awesome products. See you next video.